Okay. First of all, I'm sorry. Whose butt is that size? My knee isn't even that size. I like to talk and I'm kind of speechless. Hi, I'm Wiggle Warrior, aka Julie, and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be unboxing a brand new, to me, subscription box. And this is called Testtube, and it's by New Beauty. And from what I've seen, I've only watched a few unboxing and I was very intrigued. It seems to be skincare heavy, and as I'm aging, I'm getting into skincare more and more often. So let's dig in and see what this box is about. Oh, the subscription model. So this is an interesting one. It is not monthly, it's actually bi-monthly, so every other month, and it is $39.95. So basically $20 a month if you split the box into 2 months, but it comes every other month. So for $40, you get, I believe it's 8 products. We shall find out. I'm super excited. So the box comes like this, and inside is a different, more elegant looking item from what I've seen on other people. So you get a pamphlet, there's an advert. I'm going to assume in the inside it's going to speak about the product, so I will wait. And then what else? Oh, a couple of items did not fit inside the tube. Let me pull out the tube first so you know what I'm talking about. So this is the tube for Testube. It's quite lovely. We have some moons and stars, and it looks like a bunch of astrological signs. Okay, so that's the tube. Now, inside the box, there were a couple items that did not fit. So what are these? Okay, so this first one is called Bawdy Butt is the New Face. Squeeze It Citrus Butt Sheet Mask. I could not make that up. It's actually shaped like a butt. Okay, that is hilarious. Okay. First of all, I'm sorry. Whose butt is that size? My knee isn't even that size. I like to talk and I'm kind of speechless. Let's see. I'm very curious now, so I'm gonna read the directions for this one. 1. Apply to clean skin as shown. Where do they show? 2. Keep on for 10 to 15 minutes. 3. Peel sheets off. Feel butt beautiful. Alright, well, I will put this aside for a future giveaway because that is not something I would be into. Alright, let's move along. The second item, I have no idea what this is. It feels squishy. Soon. Biocellulose anti-aging face mask. Oh, well. This face needs a mask. So that sounds good. Alright, well, hopefully when I get to the booklet we will find out more about the face mask. Now let's dig in to the tube itself. How do you open the tube? Oh, okay, you just somehow push it off. There we go. Okay, so that is what is inside the tube. You get a lot of products. So the first thing I see, ooh, it's heavy. Small, but heavy. This is 10 Free Chemistry. If you watched my last video, I did not have my readers, so. Let's see. What is this? Nail Energy. Biopeptide Complex. I don't know what this is. It's made in the US. Nails? It for your fingernails, maybe? Oh, okay. Well, it's clear as day once you take it out of the package. It's nail polish. Oh, I don't know if I showed the... There you go. The box makes it look so medical that it's a nail polish. And strangely enough, as you can tell, I have horrible nails. I do get pedicures, and this is my favorite color, so I feel lucky there. Alright, next item. This is called Fré Protect Me Defense Facial Moisturizer, formulated for sweetening skin with Argania Active Complex Broad Spectrum SPF 30. Oh, okay. So this is moisturizer with SPF. I like that and need that. And if you haven't been informed or scolded recently, it's super important to wear your sunscreens because you don't want hyperpigmentation like I have. In the 80s, it was not, we were not told to wear sunscreen other than when you went to the beach, but day to day, no. Okay, that's interesting for a beauty box. It's a toothbrush. It's kind of heavy acrylic handle. Okay. The next item. Okay, makes sense. This is a, let's see that, a whitening serum by, let's see, Professional Extra Whitening System. What's the name of the company? Supersmile Extra White. Okay. As we age, we all need a little help with the color of our teeth. This is Vegetal Texture Spray. Ooh, I have very fine hair. I could use a texture spray. Okay. It's by a company called Furterer Paris. Okay. I'm going to butcher the names, but I'm going to look at, we're going to show all the products first, and then at the end I'll look at the booklet. Okay, so the next item is this. I don't remember in everything being, which seems like sample sizes. This is Naturally G for You. Beauty Has No Age. Oh, okay, so it's a vitamin C, vitamin A, meadow foam seed oil. Okay. I'm digging that. This box, by the way, is right up a WIGO person's alley. Lots of anti-aging I'm noticing, which is good. Alright. And the last item is this guy. This is, it says, Where is Pore? Pore White Cake Pack. A brightening and cooling effects by Caolion. Not sure what this is. Alright, well, time to reach for the booklet and figure out what we got here. This product here is the Fré, which is a moisturizer meets sunscreen meets antioxidant This lightweight cream defends against UV rays, free radical damage, and dryness. Sign me up. Alright, the second thing, the face mask. This is a Holy Trinity affirming and hydrating sheet mask that transforms skin in less than 20 minutes, thanks to powerhouse ingredients like niacinamide and hyaluronic acid. Alright. Okay, this is the last thing we looked at that I was clueless on. This is a radiance boosting facial in a jar that delivers deep hydration, purges pores, and exfoliates with the help of fruit enzymes and Amazonian clay. Okay, so it's a face mask. Okay. This is a hyper clean, long wearing polish packed with natural ingredients and peptides for beautiful pigment. I've never heard of a nail polish that is, I don't want to say they're green, but that where it's touted to be clean. It's nail polish. I like the color though. This is a retinol serum, a do-it-all serum that brightens, exfoliates, and firms skin for a glowy effect. Eye serum, a super hydrating serum that targets the skin below the lower lids to restore lost volume. Is this meant for the eyes? I have super wrinkly old lady eyes. If this is targeted to the eyes, I am super excited. Yay. This is the Supersmile Extra White. Is an on-the-go kit with Supersmile's most advanced whitening system, a professional whitening toothpaste and professional whitening accelerator that work together to eliminate surface stains, plus a patented 45% toothbrush. What is a 45% toothbrush? Oh, it's some teeth whitening cream. Alright. This is a lightweight dry styling spray with vitamin B5 that gives new life to tired tresses without leaving behind residue. Let's give this one a squirt and see what it smells like. It smells like hairspray. Not strong, but doesn't really have a big scent, but okay. I think that's it. Okay, so I'm going to circle back to the first item. This guy. I feel like I'm going to need to read this whole thing. Okay, what it is. A cheeky take on skincare. This citrus sheet mask cares for the skin on your behind by brightening, hydrating, and plumping. Why would you need to brighten? How to use. Each pack comes with 2 halves. Okay, so maybe you don't have to be a size 2. So it comes with 2 halves of the mask to make sure all bases are covered. Apply to clean skin, yada yada. This isn't... okay. I want you to comment down below if you have ever used a butt mask before, or if you ever would. Okay. So, let's recap. For $39.95, I received 8 products. Did I get 8? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. I don't know that this is worth $40. I signed up, well, to be fair, you can sign up for 1 month at a time, or you can pay for a whole year. I paid for an entire year, and you get a pretty good discount. I want to say the discount made it so each box was 20. I'll have to research and I'll post it on the screen here. I can't remember. It took it down almost like $10 a box, I want to say. So even at, let's say, $30, I don't know. It's my first box. I wasn't wowed. I wasn't completely disappointed. However, the size of the products were a little smaller than I was thinking they would be. So the jury's out on this one. Let me know if you also subscribe to Testtube and what your thoughts are. Thank you very much for coming back to my channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, thumbs up or thumbs down. We all know sometimes we get thumbs down. And please come back next time.